70% of our planet is covered by water, and you must be aware that some water spots around the world are very dangerous for us to splash around. Boiling Lake, Dominica. The Boiling Lake in Dominica is so dangerous that the authorities had officially closed it to the public. The water level constantly changes. This phenomenon also affects the chemical content of the water, and harmful gases like carbon dioxide can be released. Jacob's Well, Texas. The Jacob's Well has a clear spring water, but it comes with a price. People have died diving into Jacob's Well. It has underwater chambers that only an experienced scuba diver should explore. The water currents in the tricky cave chambers turn out to be the culprit. Beach of Death, Mexico. The Beach of Death in Mexico, or the Playa Zipolite, is in reference to a historic claim that the Zapotecs offered the bodies of their dead to the sea. Nowadays, the Beach of Death is also one of the most dangerous beaches because its water currents are traveling in circular motion, causing danger spots that visitors should keep away from. Cheetah River. When a river is called the dirtiest river in the world, would you dare take a plunge on it? The Cheetah River in Indonesia has this title for over decades. It is filled with garbage and the water is sludgy and actually bubbling in chemicals. Even the stench filling the air will give you a clue of how toxic the river is. Amazon River Beaches. I'm pretty sure you heard stories about lake monsters. The Amazon River beaches are overflowing with creatures that can attack people in self-defense. From piranhas, anacondas to electric eels and poison frogs, there are a lot of dangerous creatures in there awaiting. Thank you guys for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.